In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibrate at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound on the left and use the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, scroll down to click on Call Vibration or Notification Vibration. Then pick one of those vibration patterns for incoming calls or notifications. Disable them completely by selecting Silent, or adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Following that, hit System Vibration and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. You can also adjust intensity thanks to this slider at the top. Then go back, click on Vibration Intensity, and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, system feedback, and media thanks to all of those sliders. Then tap on the switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls to enable or disable this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!